Hello friends, welcome back. I have been using my iPad Pro 11-inch with this case for a long time now. This has really served its purpose for a long time, almost a year now. But the thing is, recently I faced a problem where I dropped my Apple Pencil because this case doesn't have a Apple Pencil connector. I think this was launched in the early times where manufacturer didn't have a proper clue as to how to get this pencil charged. So every time I have to charge my pencil, I have to remove this case here and then connect the pencil. So this happened that because of this problem, my pencil dropped once or twice and then I damaged the pencil tip as I showed in the previous video. But now I do not want to take the risk again, so I purchased this pencil protector skin. This costs around 399 rupees, where I got from Amazon for around 340 rupees. So as you can see, this comes with a rubber complete skin as well as tip protector. So along with that, I feel it's time to upgrade the case as well, because this doesn't have anything to stick here. So the magnetic connection is very loose and this keeps falling off. So to solve that, I got a new case from Amazon, that is from the Oki brand. It's a shockproof soft TPU folio smart cover. This again costs around 1100 rupees. I didn't want to invest a lot of money in a case again. So this case, another feature is that this has an inbuilt pencil cover with this, and this is actually a case which is meant for the next generation or the 2020 version of the iPad Pros. Mine is here, you can see from the camera cutout. It's a let me focus once. It's a 2018 model with a single camera case, single camera, whereas the 2020 model has a square module here. So this is supposedly to be for the 2020 model. So let me open and show you how it is. So yes, as you can see, this cutout is larger, and this is mainly for the next generation, the 2020 model. But this 2020 model case will also fit into the 2018 model, because the dimensions are perfectly similar except for the camera cutout. And I think I might upgrade to the newer model maybe in future. So that is the reason I thought of going with the 2020 model case, as this slightly bigger cutout doesn't harm much for me. This, as you can see, is a soft TPU material. It feels really good in hand actually. It's a good soft material, and you can see there is a extra piece which has been attached to the border. This border is slightly more rigid, and all the cutouts seem very nice, very precision cutouts. This is the power button, and these are two volume keys. So you can see this is very hard. So while removing also, it almost always clips the volume buttons, and I feel it may damage the volume button in the long run. So that was another reason I thought of going removing this into a new case. So let me show here. Okay. So it's fitting perfectly fine, as you can see. This is perfectly fine. A lot of fingerprints, of course. And now again the issue I will face is, I think this will not accommodate the pencil, because this is just for the pencil and not for the pencil with the case. Now yeah, I don't think it will accommodate here. But anyways, there is a pencil stand here, because I had purchased this earlier to prevent. And one more thing I wanted to say is whether this place will charge the pencil or not. So I think I have to remove the cover to charge itself. Yeah, it is sticking to this, but again the power is not that much, the magnetic power is not that much, so I think it will fall again. So I'll just remove this and see how it is fixing to the sides of the case. Okay, so the case is finally out. It took me almost 5 minutes to remove the case from this pencil, and okay, it fits absolutely fine, as you can see. The on off button, let me check whether it is actually working or not. Yeah, so it is working fine also. Here is a Oki branding here, and it's absolutely clean. It looks very premium actually. The speaker cutouts are well placed, nothing of an issue here. Let me check the charging part of this pencil, because that is a major issue for me. Okay, there is a hole here. So as you can see, there is a hole here to remove the pencil. You slide across, and now let me just attach to the sides and see how it does the charging or not. Yeah, you can see here Apple logo came, but the magnetic power is not that much. But yeah, one thing good thing is that I do not have to remove the cover to make it charging, so it can charge on its own when it's still inside the still the iPad is inside the case. As you can see here, yes, it's charging now. So once it is charged, I will place it back again here. Now why I prefer this thing is because many times you will see that if the Apple Pencil or any AirPods, this is actually my experience with the AirPods, if you keep the AirPods constantly charging inside the case, then very soon, within a year or two, maximum year actually, it happened with me within a year, the AirPods battery keeps on charging, and I don't know whether there is actually protective mechanism. This happened with me in the first generation AirPods. This AirPods battery keeps draining and recharging. This cycle goes on, and this results in a battery cycle deteriorating very fast. So within a year or maybe year and 1 month, the AirPods was not working properly, so I had to replace it. So I feel same will be the case with Apple Pencil. If you keep it here, it keeps on discharging and recharging, recharging. So this is never going to be a good thing for a long run for the battery of this Apple Pencil. So I prefer it to charge when I need to charge, and once it is charged, I'll put it back into the case. So the only thing that is a con from the previous case I had is because this case, as I can show you, it opens up and you can position in any angle. It almost maintains 2 or 3 angles here. All these angles were supported, even though this is kind of anti-skid material, like rubbery skin, so this doesn't slip off. So I can maintain in 2 or 3 positions like this. But with this OK new case, the position, this is a trifold case, as you can see. So the only position that is possible is once you fold it into this. So the only position is you can maintain this position, but it's okay. I'm ready to compromise this position, only one position, for the added benefit of the pencil attachment as well as the inbuilt pencil holder, because this is quite a costly item and I don't want to keep losing again and again. So this is all about this case. There is nothing more inside, no free screen protector or anything. They had provided these two dry wipes. I don't know why, because this is not a screen. This is something called gift for you. Okay, I didn't notice this. Okay, so they had actually given a, I can show you here, they had given a camera tempered glass for the iPad Pro 2020. This is of no use for me. Anyway, I'll keep it by chance I do upgrade in future. So this is it, friends. So thank you. If you like the video, do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Bye.